Hey folks, I'm Jay Kraft with Aqua, and we installed a radon mitigation system in this condominium a couple days ago. Wanted to come out and run the test results and see how this goes. One of the things that's really different about Aqua is that when we set a tester, we bring a printer right along with us so that we can go ahead and print the results right in the house for your convenience. That way everybody's got the results immediately. We plug into the back of the unit and turn the printer on. We turn on the tester, take a phone call. There you go. And the results start coming out of the printer immediately. A couple things again about Aqua is that we offer a warranty that will qualify the system at 2.7 picocuries per liter. 3.9 is the EPA activation level, but we decided a long time ago that we were very successful at 2.7. We are the only mitigator in town that does that. Why radon mitigation is so important is that, according to the Center for Disease Control, is the second leading cause of lung cancer in our country behind smoking. And at 2.7 picocuries per liter, you're going to position yourself to get the radon cancer-causing agent out of your home. Again, now we're going to run the test real quick. Then we're going to take you outside. We're going to show you what that system looks like. But here in just a minute, we're going to have our results. When the printer prints everything out, we take a sniff every hour so that we know exactly where the levels are at. We also get relative humidity, barometric pressure, and temperature of the property, so we kind of know if there's anything else going on that we need to be aware of, if we've got to make any adjustments. And as I speak, the results are coming out. In our 48-hour test, we took the radon levels from 5.7 in this property down to 0.6 picocuries per liter. So very successful installation. We're out in the mechanical room where we installed the radon mitigation system. Our suction point is down through the floor. We've got a nice little beauty ring around there just to keep things nice and neat. We've got a sticker on here with our name and phone number on there that if there's ever an issue, all you got to do is just look at that and give us a call. The date of installation, the amount of vacuum pressure that was drawn in the system, and then the size of the fan. This is a U-tube, and what this U-tube does is it measures the amount of water column or vacuum that's in the pipe. If I remove this small tube, you can see these two levels go down to 0, but that tells us that there is vacuum inside this and that the fan is working. If you ever see those levels at 0, give us a call. We'll come right back out and we'll take care of that for you. The system then goes right up and into the attic, and then I'm going to take you up there next. And here we are in the attic with the fan itself. Being that it's inside the attic like this, we can install this with an outlet and a whip from the fan. Every fan comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, and we've got a fan guard on here. And what the fan guard does is it takes any type of condensation that builds up inside the line. There's a flange around the inside of this, and that flange captures the water, runs it down to this pipe back into the system, so we actually bypass any moisture from the fan back down into the pipe. Then that pipe drains right straight down into the ground where that water can dissipate without creating any issues. But at this point, again, the fan's up and running. You can barely hear it, so it'll be nice and quiet. It is double wall insulated, which helps with the noise at that point. And this fan, who knows how long this fan will last, but again, the manufacturer says 5 years. And then from there we go up, and then we go out and through the rooftop itself. We've done a really nice job with putting the roof boot out on the inside. The condo association was very happy with the color of the discharge, and then the vent cover that went on top of that to keep all the rain, snow, and birds and anything else from getting in there. This was a very successful Aqua radon mitigation installation. Thanks again for watching.